Hey, Remarkable Lifers. This is Craig.
Hi, Remarkable Lifers. This is KJ.
And me and my husband, KJ, sold everything, quit jobs, moved to Ajijic, Mexico.
It is on Lake Chapala, and we're absolutely loving it.
What's it like moving to another country? And there's some aspects of it that people don't take into consideration. There's all the things you have to do. Then there's you.
I was in a career that was very demanding.
The realities, and that is what this channel is all about, sharing the realities. I'm going to show you the beautiful stuff, and I'm going to show you the fun stuff, but I want to show you what it's really like.
You get burned out. You want something different.
And then we got to a place in our lives where that's not what we wanted anymore. And that takes you back.
Wondering if where you are is who you want to be. It really shook me. And because I realized that the dreams that I'd always had my entire life, I had been putting on hold. And it kind of just hit me that it's time.
And that was shocking. So we are doing this a lot earlier than most people do.
The world is so big and amazing, and there's so many interesting, beautiful, wonderful things all around the globe, and I want to see it.
We're not really retiring so much as changing our entire lifestyle and going towards a different direction.
So that I can experience other cultures. It's not about getting away from something, it's about finding other things.
You know, like, what are these crazy people doing? They are up and moving.
You know, you got your own social security number. You're your own individual.
What are we doing? We just sold our house, or we just quit our job. Oh my gosh.
To live the life that I want to live, I have to be able to move beyond that fear. I had to challenge everything that I was taught. It's difficult, but it can be done. And
we all have a different calling. That's what makes a truly remarkable life. It's what it means to you.
You know, I want to always be on the move and learning and growing and meeting new people and seeing new cultures and, you know, being on adventures. And that's just me.
None of my family, no one who knows me, can say that they have not seen someone move abroad and succeed. I didn't have that. You may not have had that. That has been the biggest win for me. But I know that has changed the world.
I'm working towards achieving a goal of being fluent in Spanish, conversationally fluent, and I know I'll get there.
I'm not doing this because it's going to make me money, or because I feel like I need to, or I want the attention. This is an art form for me. And it's also a way for me to give back. I have embraced the creative side of me.
I've taken up drawing and a little bit of painting, and I never thought I had an artistic bone in my body.
The future has suddenly become expansive in the middle of my life.
I'm discovering myself. I'm discovering the man that I never knew I was.
I mean, to be at this stage of our life and to feel like everything's new again, and I can't wait to see what I am capable of. Isn't that crazy?
And there's a peace. There's just a lot of peace for me.
You know, and I'm proud of myself for letting go of the life that I had when I figured out it wasn't working for me. So whatever it is that you want in your life, it's worth going after it. Let it take you there. I can share with you what it was like for me, so you don't feel so alone in this decision that you're trying to make.
Make sure that you stay subscribed to our channel, because there's no telling where we may go. You know, we travel a lot, and that's a big part of who we are.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness.
So here we are in Mexico City, and we're about to get on a double-decker bus.
Today we are in Puerto Vallarta.
We are taking tours of Puerto Vallarta.
Today we're at the Festival of Coffee, Chocolate, and Wine.
We're at the Museo de I can't say it. Antropológico.
We are at Tales of Mexico. It is a free spay-neuter clinic.
So if you haven't already,
Well, if you guys haven't already,
and again, if you haven't already,
go find your truly remarkable life.
And check out this video. Don't forget to follow us and learn about our adventures in Mexico as expats.
We're on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.
No, what? Go. Look at this.
Go
Look
now.
At this. Why don't you want to see more?
If you haven't already, go out and find your truly remarkable life.
Yes.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now.